on the application of any aggrieved party, make an order, इसमें clause 2, declaring that any act done or proceedings taken within the territorial jurisdiction of the court by a person performing functions in connection with the affairs of the federation, a province and a local authority has been done or taken of authority and of no legal effect. I'm seeking that declaration, not a declaration that my elections are valid. They are valid, I presume, and we say their interference is without lawful authority and of no legal effect. So therefore, they are saying that they should have sought declaration from ECP that my...
अगर आप strict sense में जाएंगे तो you run into trouble. अब 2 में देखें, declaring that any act done or proceeding taken within the territorial jurisdiction of the court. Now ये तो आप तस्लीम करते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने ऑर्डर पास कर दिया इस्लामाबाद में. It's not the territorial jurisdiction of the court. ये अगर हम strict sense में जाएंगे ना तो it will cut both ways. By a person performing functions in connection with the affairs of the federation. He'll say we don't perform functions with the federation, we perform constitutional functions.
Yes.
Or a province. They'll say we don't do this either. We don't do local government functions. तो ये अगर हम ऐसे interpretation में जाएंगे तो if we go to the strict language, they may come up and say High Court has no jurisdiction on territorial ground and on grounds that we are not doing any of these things. We are doing elections.
Is a body functioning in all the provinces.
Correct.
And the federation.
But देखिए ना, declaring that any act or proceeding taken within the territory, अगर हम stricto sensu में जा रहे हैं ना तो इसमें आपका फायदा मुझे नहीं नजर आएगा क्या है इसका. How does it help you?
This is only an answer to their objection. Their objection was...
they have conceded. In fact, I was surprised, but Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan conceded. He says, yes, Peshawar High Court has jurisdiction. But having elected to go to Lahore High Court, you could not go to Peshawar. That's what I recollect his argument. I thought he's going to say that it doesn't have a jurisdiction, and he conceded.
This is your ownership impression. Nothing more I have to say about it. सर
खत्म करें, थोड़ा सा जल्दी करें.
बस जल्दी कर देता हूँ.
आप बुरा ना माने, हमें बुरा लगता है आपको कहते हुए भी.
My submission is it has been held by a number of judgments cited there that the right to participate in an election is a fundamental right of a political party. This has been...
यही राइट वो कह रहे हैं मुझे भी दे दो. आपके जो 14 मेंबर बैठे हुए हैं नहीं कह रहे ये राइट हमें भी दे दीजिए प्लीज.
जनरल इलेक्शंस की बात मैं कर रहा हूँ भाई. राइट ऑफ ए पॉलिटिकल